Hi, this is Muhammad Rafiq. Welcome to my tech channel. If you new here, make sure click that subscribe button and enable bell icon for getting notifications for my future video uploads. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to fix the start menu critical error, which is your start menu isn't working. We will try to fix it the next time you sign in. So let me show you how to fix this start menu critical error. Method 1, uninstall Windows updates. For that, click start menu and click on settings, and here just click on update and security, and it will open Windows updates page. Then below you can see view update history. Just click on it and it will open view update history page. Then click on uninstall updates, and here you can see all the installed updates. So you have to choose recent updates, which is for example, if you face this issue today, you can select yesterday's updates, then click on uninstall. After uninstall, it will ask for restart, then click on restart and check for the issue is resolved or not. Method 2, restore the system to an earlier restore point. For that, in the search box, just type system restore. Then you can see create a restore point. Just click on it and it will open system properties, and under system protection there you can see system restore. Just click on system restore and it will open system restore window. Then click on next, and here it will show all the system restore point which is created previously. Now here only one showing, and if you want to see more system restore point, then click on show more restore points, and now you can see showing all the system restore points which is created before. Then you have to choose specific system restore points from here. For example, if you are facing this issue from today, then you have to choose recent restore points from here. Then click next. Now it's asking confirm your restore point. Your computer will be restored to the state it was in before the event in the description field below. Then click finish. Now click yes. Now system will restore, and after that system will restart. Then you have to try to check that issue resolved or not. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. If this video was helpful for you, please like the video, and if you have any queries, please comment below the video. I will look into it.